When it comes to cooking, having the right cookware can significantly enhance your cooking experience. This Delarlo whole-body tri-ply stainless steel frying pan set promises to elevate your culinary skills while providing lasting durability, energy efficiency, and ease of use. This set, which includes 3 different size skillets, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, is designed to suit all cooking needs, from frying and searing to simmering and sauteing. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's take a deep dive into the features, benefits, and overall performance of this versatile and affordable cookware set. Key features of the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel frying pan set. 1. Tri-ply stainless steel construction for even heating. One of the key selling points of the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel frying pan set is its 3-layer construction. The inner layer of aluminum ensures that the pans heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly across the entire surface. The outer layers of stainless steel add durability and strength, preventing warping and ensuring that the pans last for years. Whether you're cooking on a gas stove, electric cooktop, or induction stove, these pans will maintain an even heat, which is critical for achieving consistent cooking results. 2. Energy efficient and cost-effective. In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever. The Delarlo Tri-Ply frying pan set is designed with energy-saving technology in mind. According to the manufacturer, the set is capable of saving 20% of gas or electricity compared to traditional cookware. This is made possible due to its quick heat-up time and superior heat distribution. Ergonomic, stay-cool handles. Handling hot cookware is always a concern in the kitchen, but Delarlo's ergonomic handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. The stay-cool handle design is an excellent feature that ensures you can move your pans without worrying about burning your hands, even when they're cooking on high heat. The riveted stay-cool handle ensures a firm grip, providing added stability when moving the pan from stovetop to oven or when flipping food. 4. Oven and broiler safe. Up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Versatility is a must for any good cookware set, and the Delarlo Tri-Ply frying pan set doesn't disappoint. These pans are oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes them perfect for a wide range of cooking techniques. You can easily transition from stovetop to oven, whether you're finishing off a seared steak or making a delicious frittata. 5. Rivet-free surface for easy cleaning. Cleaning up after a meal can sometimes be the most time-consuming part of cooking, especially if food gets trapped in the rivets of your cookware. The Delarlo Tri-Ply frying pan set features a rivet-free surface, making cleanup a breeze. This design eliminates food traps, ensuring that your pans stay looking clean and new after every use. 6. Stylish and functional design. Not only is the Delarlo Tri-Ply frying pan set highly functional, but it also has an elegant, polished finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. The set's sleek, stainless steel design makes it easy to pair with a variety of kitchen styles, and it looks just as good on your stovetop as it does when you serve your meals. 7. Family approved and safe to use. The 1810 food-grade cooking surface ensures that the Delarlo pans are safe for all types of food, including acidic ingredients like tomatoes, without altering their flavor. The pans are PFOA-free and SGS certified, meaning they meet high safety and health standards. Whether you're cooking for your family, guests, or yourself, you can trust that these pans will deliver excellent performance while keeping your meals safe. Should you buy the Delarlo whole-body tri-ply stainless steel frying pan set? If you're in the market for a cookware set that offers excellent heat distribution, energy efficiency, and durability, the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel frying pan set is a must-have for your kitchen. Whether you're preparing a simple breakfast or an elaborate dinner, these pans can handle all your cooking needs with ease and style. Their ergonomic handles, energy-saving design, and easy-to-clean surface make them a reliable and convenient option for both novice cooks and experienced chefs. With the ability to be used on all cooktops, oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the high-quality stainless steel construction, these pans offer great value for money. The addition of 3 different sizes, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, ensures that you'll always have the right pan for the job. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.